What's up? What happened? It's what? No? Are you gonna make me get out? I shall return. I'm at the new house. I'm waiting for, around 8 o'clock. They said they'd be here, but you know how that goes. You know how that goes. Did I say good morning yet? Probably not. Good morning. It is March 22nd, 2018. And like I said, it's like 7:45. And I'm just waiting for gas company, cable, electric. Well, no, the electric's already transferred over. I don't remember who else. Oh, handyman. I don't know why he's coming though. I don't know. Anyways, I curled my hair a little bit, but I didn't undo the curls. I think I'll just leave it like that. Got up around 5. Put a little bit of makeup on. Kind of like it. Simple. Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Alright guys, I did bring my eBay, but all the stuff that is on eBay is here now because we have no more internet at the other house, or we don't have any internet at the other house. And the only thing left over there for my eBay stuff is everything that's hanging on hangers. Yesterday they took the box that was here that was folding stuff that was gonna be for my eBay, and I'm gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna hang it up so that it doesn't get squished. And then I'm gonna start steam cleaning. My husband brought this. Is the steamer up there in my room? The vacuum and steamer up there?
The vacuum and steamer?
Yeah.
Vacuum's up, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, my husband brought over that stuff. So I'm gonna do that a little bit. Just try to get as much done as I can while I'm here. Take advantage of it. And oh God, I can't wait till the gas company comes. Get us some heat up in here. It is cold. Really cold. Careful, honey. Okay, guys, I'll be back. I'll check in with you here in a little bit. We thought about this today. That's cake. And those are stairs, and we need energy to climb those stairs. No, I'm just kidding. We're going to have ourselves a little bit of a cake. It is, what time is it? 7:54. So we're going to have a little bit of cake, and then we'll get to cleaning, I guess. Right, babes?
Yeah.
All right. So there's our cake. Yeah. I had a little cake. Caffeine. Brought my Zivia. And now it's time to work. Oh, let me show you. I don't think I've shown you upstairs in a little bit. But this is how it's looking so far. The TV is going to go there. Oh yeah, I think I brought you up here yesterday evening. I'm trying to work out to where I can keep my makeup table over there, here in this little nook, and then on this side to try to keep my computer on this side. I don't know if that'll happen, but we'll see. Oh, there's my steamer waiting for me, and my vacuum out there. I cleared off a little bit of the floor, all these eBay. These are my eBay. Some of them are on eBay, and some of them I need to, list. Those types of things I'm going to take out of those bags, and I'm going to hang them all right here. Those are my bodices for my eBay. Get in that bag and hang everything that needs to be hung so that it doesn't get all wrinkly, This is my husband's clothes on this side. So it's looking okay. You know what I mean? I mean, it's not too bad. That's my nail polish rack that my uncle had made there. I had that out a long time ago. So I'm going to see what I can do. I'm going to try and see what I can do about this stain right here. I don't have any hot water right now, but the steamer does heat the water. So, okay. I shall return. Last night, thinking of my son Evan, and knowing he would be with me, he set him up with his PlayStation 4. And you're not bored, huh? No. Okay. It's 12:40, and I have steamed cleaned all of the rooms up here. The cable guy is gone, but I forgot to turn off my TV. The handyman should be on his way, but I steamed all that.
Show my toe.
On his toe, he stubbed his toe. Right there. I steam cleaned my daughter's room.
You steam clean everyone.
All this, I steamed.
Dude, steam that.
I gotta go do my mom's right now. His room, I steamed. This massive room. It smells like Febreze in here. What's that on the floor?
Plastic.
Mailman's here. So the mail comes around 12:30, 1 o'clock. Okay. Oh, and I just sold something right now.
Where'd you put the trash?
Just put it right here. I'm not sure if I showed you my high schooler Aiden's room. No, I don't think I did. But I'll tell you one thing. These rooms right here, where the carpets were so clean. It was unbelievably clean. Even Evan's room, the big room, even that room was like really clean.
Your room is dirty.
However, the master bedroom, oh my gosh, that was bad.
I mean, maybe because you only dumped it in the toilet instead of out.
No, honey, that thing was black.
Yeah, mine was brown.
Yeah, these were all clear brown, except for this room right here. That one was pretty bad. So I'm gonna go downstairs and do my mom's.
Pretty bad.
And waiting for the handyman to show up. He came already. Sorry guys, and did got like a list of things that needed repair and clean and whatnot. So he'll be here to do that. But it smells clean. I cleaned the windows. I am tired now. I'm starving. I'm eating Cheez-Its because that's all I have. I don't want to have any more cake. I just want, you know, so having Cheez-Its. And then I can't shut my TV off. The remote's right here. Who are you talking to?
Dad.
Liar, liar, pants on fire. I can't turn off that TV. Okay, guys. I'm going to go take the steamer downstairs. The vacuum's already down there. And then I'm done. Well, I'm not done for the day. But I'm done for a little bit because I'm really, really tired. I am. Yes.
Does your TV have back power?
I don't know, honey. I'm not sure. Does it turn off? Not really, huh?
I need to find.
Here's a remote.
No, then look.
It doesn't turn it off, huh? I hit TV and it turns it back on, huh? What about on the bottom?
I got it.
Oh, you got it? How do you do that? Okay.
You just press power and then on and off.
I thought I did that. All right, guys. Ooh, the hair. I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna go finish up. I feel so much better now, and I feel better that I feel good knowing that the carpets were actually pretty clean. I mean, seriously, except like I said for mine, but I feel good knowing they can lay down and everything, and it's you know, as clean as possible. I am tired though. I am so tired. I have my Fitbit on. It said that I've done 19 floor steps. I've never done 19, and it already says I've been active 6 minutes. Yeah. So that means my heart rate was high. So 1,263 calories burned so far. Wow. Wow, that's awesome. All right, guys, I'm gonna go downstairs and finish up.
So, I'm vlogging. Okay, so mom's sleeping.
Might as well, right?
Yeah.
Aiden's moving his desk. And I have to clean my room. Don't mind that. what's going on over there, but it's fine. And then we have Mom sleeping.
Where are we, baby? Wait a minute. He's going up. He's like, nah. He goes,
Where are we? Where are we, Ray?
where are we?
Where are we?
Huh? Where are we?
Where's this place?
No, he's inspecting.
Bye.
Maddie. Wow, Chilla going crazy. Chilla!
Oh, he's barking. Go, go, go. There.
Come on.
Get him, get him, get him. Go.
Come on.
Let's go.
You gotta pick her up, baby.
Come on, let's go. Chilla's liking it. How's Molly? Oh, Molly. Where are we?
Where's this place? Where's this place? Where's this place?
Come on, Maddie. Let's go. They're so cute. Come on, let's go.
Let's go, Bubby. Smart.
Hi, guys. 8 o'clock. I have not been vlogging, guys. I am so sorry. It has been really, honestly, after the steam cleaning that I did and everything, I just kind of moved some boxes and stuff, and then I picked up my kids. The handyman was here. I picked up my kids. We went out to eat. Well, we brought the food over here because the handyman was gonna come back. We waited and waited and waited and waited. Like 4:45 when he was supposed to be here around 3:15, 3:30. 4:45 just sitting here. I couldn't move anymore. My back was in pain. So we sat here. Finally, he left. He finished up a little bit. Then we went to go pick up some stuff. And now we're back. And we brought the dogs, as you can see. Chulo is loving the stairs. He's fine. He's fine. He's well adapted.
Watch this, Mom. Ready?
No.
I'm gonna throw it through it.
But Molly, on the other hand, she's getting there. She's getting there. Huh. She's doing better. But she's definitely, see this table right here? This table? That table was in my room, and she would sometimes go under there and things. And that's where she's wanting to rest. But she's doing pretty good.
Okay, I get it now.
She's doing pretty good. We have no internet at our old house, so I had to have my husband connect the computer because I sold something earlier. So I was able to get the package ready. But now I have to take it back with me because I forgot the tape gun to tape the label on, so I'll just leave it in that mailbox in the morning. What are you doing, hon? Oh yeah, it is, but you can see there's air in the line. So sometimes it'll like gurgle. But yeah, that's the thing.
Why is she crying?
Maybe you have the, you said sometimes you can higher up the water pressure?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, what we're gonna do is, I need to move this. I moved it here earlier today because I steam cleaned, so we need to move it. I think we're gonna put it here, hon?
Yeah.
Yeah. And, gosh, it looks so yellow. Let's see here. Let's see. Okay. I look a hot mess, people. I ain't gonna lie. I look a hot mess. You need help? Was that a ha-ha? Okay, I'll be back. Guys, I don't even know if I ended my vlog. I'm not sure. I'm trying to fix that. Okay. I'm not sure. It's about 10 o'clock at night. I just took a shower. We're up at the old house. My husband, my poor husband, oh my God, he's outside cleaning the refrigerator out. The one in the kitchen, not the one in the garage, the one in the kitchen. and because it has to be completely empty, and you know, all that. You done, sweetie?
I'm done with that.
What's next, honey?
The speakers.
Oh, and that's it
Um,
for now, please. Don't forget we have till the 2nd here.
yeah, but I'm off next Friday, Saturday.
Yeah, honey.
Um,
I feel so bad for him. What smells like onions? What smells like onions?
smells like what?
Onions.
Burning.
Onions.
Oh, it's probably that nasty refrigerator.
Anyways, guys,
I
I'm
didn't
gonna.
clean it that good. It was,
Yeah.
I got all that
God, this house looks awfully
small compared to that other
smaller.
one. Ridiculous.
But don't forget, when me and Savannah were talking about this on the way home, how we went from a small house or smaller, and then we came here and we thought, wow, you know, so much room, and then we doubled it.
We'll never be able to beat that one.
Oh, I know. Unless I win the lottery. Anyways, guys, seriously, I'm pretty much done. But look at this. We took the carpet out. Remember? And look at look at this. And you guys know I steam clean. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I said this, but tomorrow at the other house, at the new house, they're putting in a new window that's in my son Evan's room, the biggest room, because there's 2 big cracks in them. So tomorrow they're gonna go do that. So I may not still be able to come and be here and clean and pack things up like food and things. I don't know.
But the good thing is they're on spring break, so you don't have to go take them to school next week. You don't have to
Oh
do
yeah.
None of that. So you can come at your leisure.
All right, guys, I'm gonna end my vlog. Yeah, I'm just gonna end it here. Tomorrow I will do my best to vlog as much as I can. I can already tell you that my vlogs are being behind, but I'm gonna still vlog them. I'm gonna still take you on this journey. By the time you see this, though, you've already seen past videos. But as of right now, as of today, as of the 22nd today? I'm behind posting. Alright, my friends, that is it. Thank you so much for spending some of my day with me. I really, really appreciate you taking the time from your day, from your busy day, to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. Alright, my guys. Alright, my friends, I will see you tomorrow. Bye. My husband's throwing snap peas at the dog.